When I was a kid, there was only one type of burger. Nowadays, there's hundreds. Today, I'm cooking a Korean Bulgogi burger with the most amazing chili pickle mayo. Well, the sun certainly doesn't have its hat on today. We had a huge downfall of rain here in Worcestershire last night, but my God, didn't we need it? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Chef Archie's Easy Recipes. And thanks for joining me for today's very tasty video presentation. I do love a really good burger, and these days you can get some amazing ones. People are going out of their way to use exceptionally good ingredients to make their burgers. I'm using some superb beef to make my burger today. It's Herefordshire beef. It's local to where I live in the UK, and it's always high quality. But I'm taking the seasonings and flavorings from the classic Korean beef dish bulgogi to make my burgers. I just want it to be exciting. We're also going to make the most amazing flavored mayonnaise to go with the burgers. Let's get cracking, shall we? So in my bowl, I've got some breadcrumbs. I'm using sourdough. In my opinion, they're the best. Soy sauce goes in, and that's light, followed by some sesame oil, only a tiny bit, some dried ginger and some chili flakes. Some well-minced garlic goes in as well, followed by some dark brown sugar. I'm using muscovado. Use your fork to really mince this well. Spend a good minute on this because we want all those flavors and seasonings to permeate through the breadcrumbs. Once you've mixed it in well, we're going to cover it with some film and let it sit for half an hour, just to make sure all those flavors are evenly distributed through all those breadcrumbs. Leaving it for half an hour makes a big difference, believe me. Just let them sit there and develop. Right, once we've done that, there they are, we're ready to add the meat. Throw in this famous Herefordshire beef. In my opinion, possibly one of the best ground beef you could use for burgers. You'll need to really mix that in well. It'll take you 2 minutes. Then you can add the scallions or the spring onions, whatever you prefer to call them. Mix that in really well again. Once that's mixed in, divide it into 2 if you want big burgers or 4 if you want small burgers. Now I'm going to cook my burgers 2 different ways today. I'm going to shape them with my hand, and then I'm going to cook the first one in the air fryer. It's going to need 5 to 6 minutes each side, and it'll be on full temperature in the air fryer. The next one I'm going to cook under a medium level grill. If you don't have a medium level, drop your shelf a bit lower. Once again, that's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes each side. Flip them over, and obviously the grill another few minutes the other side, and here's the air fryer. Flip that over as well. There's no particular reason I'm doing it in 2 different ways, but I just wanted to find out whether the grill did a better job than my air fryer. I'm going to make the mayo now. I love this mayo. Finely chopped pickles with some sriracha sauce added to the mayonnaise, and just mix it in. And it just suits this burger perfectly. On a burger, I love mustard, but this mayo is just fabulous. I just loved it. Right, the burgers are now ready. Lovely bit of crust on the side of that burger there. Have we got the same crust in the air fryer? Let's throw a piece of cheese on each burger. Just 5 seconds, 10 seconds under the grill, and the same in the air fryer. Cheese is melted. Let's assemble our burger. I've toasted my brioche buns. Let's get that mayo on those buns, and this mayo is absolutely wonderful. I think it would also work with the grilled chicken burger too. I like lots of mayo on, do you? Right, some chopped romaine lettuce goes on next. How much is entirely up to you. I like lots because I'm greedy. On with the burger. They're big ones, these are. 6-ounce burgers, nice size. What I call a main course burger. A little bit of pickled cucumber. What I've done, I've took some baby cucumber, sliced it thinly, and popped it in some wine vinegar for an hour. Now I'm going to put a couple of slices of gorgeous vine-ripened tomatoes on top. And we've got our lids there just sitting waiting. They need to be mayoed up again. And I will repeat this again. It's very subjective. If you don't want 2 lots of mayo, just have 1 lot of mayo. Right, I'm going to season my tomatoes with a little bit of salt. And then let's pop the lids on and see how they look. I mean, in my opinion, I'm going to a good quality burger restaurant. That is something I'm very, very happy with. It really is. It's an absolutely fabulous burger. It's my Korean-inspired bulgogi beef burger, everybody, with sweet chili, pickle, mayo. And it really is a fabulous main course burger. It's high-end, using the very best Herefordshire beef. I'm extremely pleased with it. Let's just cut one in half, have a look at it. I mean, look at it. It's pure quality. Hey everyone, don't forget to smash that like button. It's huge for us. And please share this with your friends. This is a brilliant burger, but if you've got any other suggestions or comments to make, leave them in the description box below. I'm going to get absolutely stuck into those. I'll see you guys very, very soon.